Hi there, today we're going to be going over how to use WordPress as a content management system for your faculty.engineering.ucdavis.edu website. To get to the login page, you must first navigate to your website, which will be, as you see in this top bar, faculty.engineering.ucdavis.edu/ your username, and then add the suffix /login. And it will bring you to the UC Davis login. If this is your first time logging in, you will receive an email asking you to verify your email address and then be redirected to a page with a temporary password that's computer generated. Ignore this, as you will bypass the whole WordPress login and actually just be informed to enter your Kerberos password. Navigate to Pages on the left-hand side in your menu bar, and I will show you how to edit screen options for any page. So for example, let's go to Research Interests. If you click on the Screen Options drop-down menu, you will see a bunch of different sections that you can allow to be shown or hidden. We suggest that you keep all of these boxes checked except for custom fields, just to improve your usability. Also notice that any screen options that you keep on one post will stick you to any other posts. While you may be only using Pages for the most part, the screen options ability is also available for posts. And for any post that you change the screen options, it will be the same for all posts across the board. While editing any of the pages on your website, after you've made an edit, make sure to click the Update button on the right-hand side of the page. If we scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see the Post Revision section. Here you can compare and contrast between your current version and previous versions you've had in the past, as well as view autosaves and any other drafts that you may have saved in the past. The next section we're going to be going over is how to edit your contact information. So navigate back to Pages in your menu bar on the left-hand side. Your contact information is found in the sidebar page, so click Edit. For your avatar image, your picture must be 180 pixels wide, 240 pixels tall, with a 72 dots per square inch resolution. So for example, on how to replace your image, I will delete the placeholder, and you want to click Add Media, which is above your text options. This will bring out an Insert Media option, and we are going to upload a file from the computer. So click on the Upload Files tab and then click Select Files. And just for all intents and purposes, I'm going to re-upload the default stock image. It'll upload, and then you just insert it into the page and make sure to update your information. Feel free to edit any of the other information on your contact page, including your professor name, linking to your respective college. You can link to your departmental website by highlighting the text section and then linking to the respective URL. Also, for your email address, we suggest that you not include a direct link to your email to avoid being crawled by spammers, but instead do as such. Put for example, my UC Davis email is aaregal@ucdavis.edu. Instead of putting the @ symbol, I just put the words AT in the middle. When you're done editing your information, make sure you click Update on the right-hand side. To view your edits more easily, navigate to the top bar where it says your site name and then click on Visit Site. I'm going to open this in a new tab, and you can see your changes as you update them in your posts. This is the quickest way to view your changes on the live site. The next topic we'll go over is how to add submenus to related or nested pages on your website. For this, maneuver back to the Pages section. To demonstrate how submenus work, we've added the pages Lab Members and Projects. If we go to edit one of these pages, you can see on the right-hand side under Page Attributes, it lists that its parent is under Research Interests. If we view this on the live site, when we hover over Research Interests, a drop-down menu will appear for Lab Members and Projects. If you would like to add any submenus, simply go back to Pages and then click Add New at the top. Say, for example, we wanted to create a page for awards. We can title the page Awards and then list information. On the right-hand side for page attributes, go to Parent and then make sure that it is parented under another section. So for this, I will add it under Teaching Interests. Click Publish. And now, if I view my website, under Teaching Interests, there should be a drop-down menu for awards. For this last section, we'll be going over how to manage your publication's content. For this, we have two methods. The first method is if you manage your publications from something like a Word document. The second method is if you manage your publications using EndNote or BibTeX. For the first method, go to Pages and then click Edit underneath your Publications page. Then, go to your Word document or text file that contains your list of publications and just copy it over to your website. If we view the changes on the live site, it should have your publications listed. For the second method of importing your publications, go to the left-hand menu bar and hover over Publications until a drop-down menu appears. Then click on Import/Export. If your publications listing is already in BibTeX format, simply copy and paste it into the import area and then click Import. If you use EndNote to manage your publications library, open your EndNote library and under Edit and Output Styles, make sure that you have BibTeX Export selected. If BibTeX Export does not show up as an option, go to Open Style Manager and scroll down until BibTeX Export is shown. Make sure that the box to the left of it is checked. After you've done that, select all of your articles and then go to File and export them as a text file in BibTeX export format. You will get a text file like such. All you have to do is select it all and copy it into the import area, and it will import to your publications. To make your imported publications show on your website, go to the Pages section and then edit your publications. Here, select everything that may be in this section and delete it. Then use the shortcode ~TP list end bracket and then update your page. If we view the changes on our website, it will show our articles as such. That wraps up our WordPress tutorial. If you have any other questions, please contact your departmental IT team or email us at eacs-support@ucdavis.edu.